In this video, we're going to talk about exponents when the exponent is 0 or a negative number. If I have any number other than 0 raised to the 0 power, that is defined as 1. Remember, it can be any number raised to the 0 except for 0 to the 0. So what happens when we take 0 to the 0? Well, that is undefined. So to recap, any number that's not 0 raised to the 0 is defined as 1, and 0 to the 0 is undefined. Well, what about when we have a negative exponent? For example, what does 5 to the negative 8 equal? Well, 5 to the negative 8 is equal to 1 over 5 to the 8th. That's because when we raise something to the negative power, that means we take the reciprocal of it and change the sign of the exponent. An easier way to think of that is when I move something from the numerator to the denominator, I need to change the sign of the exponent. And similarly, when I move something from the denominator to the numerator, I need to change the sign of the exponent. Now be careful, that does not change the sign of the number itself. So in this example, 7 to the negative 2 is equal to 1 over 7 to the second power. This also works if we start with the power in the denominator. So for example, 1 over 11 to the negative 4th is equal to 11 to the positive 4th, because we changed the sign of the exponent when we brought it from the denominator to the numerator. Now remember, the exponent doesn't have to start out as a negative number. We can start with the exponent being positive. We just need to remember when it switches from upstairs to downstairs or downstairs to upstairs, the sign of the exponent changes.